Hello my friends, my name is Dima, I'm from Belarus, and as you know I go on learning English. But since I am a native Russian speaker, I'd like to share with you the secrets of spoken Russian if you want to sound like a native speaker. If you're learning Russian language, then you probably know the standard words how to say goodbye in Russian. You can pause the video and you can write in the comments how you say goodbye in Russian, and I'll wait. The most popular words how to say goodbye in Russian it's до свидания or пока, пока. Yes, that's right, but if you wanna sound like a native Russian speaker, you need to say differently. I'm learning English and I know how to say goodbye differently. For example, see you soon, good luck, and so on. And in Russian language, you also can say goodbye differently. The first, it will be the formal words. For example, до встречи, до встречи. This phrase translates into English like see you or see you soon. Also, we can say увидимся, увидимся. This word literally translates into English like see you, see you. Also, we can say прощайте, прощайте. But this word doesn't translate into English, but you should know that Russian people from Russia, Belarus and Ukraine can use this word in our conversation at the end of our conversation. I know that in English we can say goodbye like this. Good luck, good luck. Yes, that's right, but good luck translates into Russian like удачи, удачи. But the Russian language is more complex and diverse than English language. Good luck we can say also differently. For example, всего хорошего, or всех благ, всех благ. Also, at the end of the conversation, we can say будь здоров, будь здоров. This phrase будь здоров translates into English like, for example, if I wish you a good health. I wish you good health. Будь здоров. To be health. I wish you good health. Будь здоров. Understand? And now I will share with you more informal phrases and words how to say goodbye, до свидания, differently. Давай, давай, давай. I know it's sound quite strange because words давай, давай doesn't translate into English. But if we translate this word into English literally, this word translates into English like let or let's, let's. Do you agree with me that it sounds quite strange? But only people from Russia, Belarus and Ukraine and also native Russian speaker use this word in at the end conversation. Next word, пока-пока, пока-пока. This phrase translates into English like bye-bye, bye-bye, and you know this phrase because this phrase people from United States and in other countries often use in conversation. Next word, до свидули, до свидули. It's quite strange and very funny word how to say до свидания or пока differently, because this word до свидули, only people from Russia and Belarus can use in at the end conversation. It's very spoken Russian word in conversation, and I sure that people or teachers from Russian teachers from America, Canada and European countries know about this word, до свидули. if you will use this word at the end conversation with people from Russia, these people very surprised. This word is similar to the word «до свидания», because «до свидания» is formal word, «до свидули» informal. Next word «Pacquiada», Pacquiada. It's also very strange and funny word for if you learn Russian language, because this word Pacquiada is similar to the word пока, because пока is formal word, Pacquiada informal, and these two words are quite the similar. But this word Pacquiada using only for people from Russia, Belarus and Ukraine, and I also not sure that teacher from United States, Canada and European countries know about this word. By the way, if you learn Russian language, be sure watch this video, because this video extremely useful and important for you if you learn Russian language. So I shared with you the secrets of Russian language, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.